welcome to my channel. I'm Angie, and today I'm going to be comparing the Pure Hazel and Gemstone Green color contacts from the Optix color line. And I thought this was like essential to show y'all because you see how similar they kind of look to each other, and I thought this would be just a cool video to make for people that are torn between the two. And this is them like really close up. And by the way, this is just regular daylight. This isn't like sunlight or anything. And they look just really similar to each other. I actually haven't done the Pure Hazel review. I'll show you guys what the Pure Hazel looks in both eyes as well. But yeah, this is them. This is from like far. Back close up again. Don't mind my hairy eyebrows, I have to redo them. But I'm gonna also show you guys what it looks like in different lighting situations, like besides the daylight, because this is daylight, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like in artificial light. The low white light. This is the bright white light. Low yellow light. Bright yellow light. This is a low mixed light, so yellow and white light combined. This is I think this is the medium. Yeah, that was the medium. And this is the high mixed light, so like the brightest setting for the mixed light. And yeah, this is them. Go back around, low light, bright white light, low yellow light, bright yellow light, low mixed light, a medium mixed light, and then a very bright mixed light. So yeah, this is them. I hope this helps with somebody's decision. I'm also gonna pop in the right contact for the Pure Hazel. I didn't do a Pure Hazel review, but I do think that they're very pretty. So I'm gonna like combine that review right now with this comparison. I think that they're both really nice. I can't really choose which one I like more. It's a little hard. I would say if you're going for a more natural look, then the Pure Hazel is the vibe. Like that's the go-to, like even over the Gemstone Green, because it just has that brown with it that makes it look more natural. So I guess if I had to choose for like, if I'm going for a natural look, I would go for the Pure Hazel. But if you're looking for something that's on the green spectrum, I think the Gemstone Green is actually really nice. And I saw a lot of people hating on the Gemstone Green, but I think they're nice. I mean, that's just my opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. To each his own, to each her own. And like I don't think I said it actually, but I got mine from 1-800-CONTACTS. This is what the contacts look like up close. The left side is the Pure Hazel and the right side is the Gemstone Green. They both obviously have the same outline, which is a gray color, but the inside is visibly different. So if we get closer to the Pure Hazel, it's orange in the inside, and then in the middle of the orange between the gray is this lighter orange, where in the Gemstone Green, it's a green in the center, and then there's like this lemon yellow green in between that green and gray. So it's like a lemon yellow in the middle between those two colors. And the gemstone green definitely looks cooler toned when on the eye. The pure hazel has a warmth to it because it is an orange color. But something about the gemstone green does look a little bit cool toned when it is on the eye, which makes you see the difference between them when they are in your eyes. And this is pretty much how they look off the eyes. I mean, I hope this helps a little bit more too, to get you guys having an idea of the difference between these two. I definitely want to see what the regular green looks like one day, because I've only tried the gemstone green so far, but I definitely look forward to making more reviews on more of these colors. It's a tricky one. They're both really, really pretty. Since I didn't do a review on the Pure Hazel, I'm going to do them right now, which is basically, I love them. I would give them like, I want to say like a 9 out of 10, maybe an 8 out of 10. This is the low white light, by the way. This is the bright white light, how they look. This is the low yellow light, bright yellow light, low mixed light, medium, mixed light, bright mixed light, the highest setting. Now we're gonna go one more time back around. I'm gonna get like much more closer so you guys can see it more in depth. Low white light, bright white light, low yellow light, bright yellow light, low mixed light, bright like a medium bright mixed light, then the highest setting on the bright light. Then one more time around, but we're gonna do like a medium distance. Low yellow light, high yellow light, low mixed, medium mixed, bright mixed. So I'm back in daylight, which basically means I opened up my curtains. I love the Pure Hazel. I think that they're really, really natural. Obviously, if you get like really, really close up, they look unnatural. Like they look a little bit snaky, if that makes sense. But like they're just a really, really nice color, and they're like one of the most natural out of the entire Air Optix lineup. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you want, you can comment, like, whatever. If you don't, thank you for watching anyways. And yeah, I hope this helps somebody to like make their decision on their contacts. Like I said, I've been trying to go through the whole Air Optix line, not all the colors, because I'm not a fan of like how some of the colors kind of look, but there is a playlist, so if you want to browse that and kind of like see what the vibe is for the Air Optix colors, feel free to do so. Sorry, I was thinking in my head for a second. I was like, wait, what am I saying? But yeah, so again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.